In a small town, where rolling hills painted the landscape, there lived an elderly man named Henry and his wife Martha. They found in a dire financial situation, living in a tiny house. One day Henry said to Martha,
"Hey, well, Martha, living on these $99 Social Security checks is getting us nowhere. We need a change."
You're right, Henry, but what can we do?
You know, folks always loved my chicken recipe. Maybe that's what I have to offer. It's worth a shot.
Why not, Henry? Let's give it a try.
With newfound determination, Henry bid farewell to Kentucky and embarked on a journey to share his chicken recipe with the world. Martha, supportive as ever, wished him safe travels. Henry said to Martha,
"Goodbye, Kentucky. Time to hit the road and share my chicken recipe with the world."
Safe travels, Henry. Believe in yourself, and don't give up, my love.
As Henry approached restaurant owners, he presented his offer with enthusiasm, hoping to make a deal that could change their lives.
Hello sir, can I talk to you for 2 minutes?
Yes sir, you can?
My name is Henry, and I've got a mouth-watering chicken recipe. This could be a game changer for your restaurant.
Restaurant owner replied,
Another recipe, huh? What makes yours so special?
Undeterred by skepticism, Henry confidently offered his recipe for free, just asking for a small percentage on the items sold.
Taste it, and you'll know. I'm offering it for free. Just asking for a small percentage on the items sold. What do you say?
Restaurant owner was hesitant, questioning the authenticity of the offer.
Free? There must be a catch.
No catch. Just a man who believes in his recipe. It's a win-win. Trust me.
Despite facing rejection over 1,000 times, Henry refused to give up, fueled by his unwavering belief in the uniqueness of his chicken recipe.
Martha, I've been rejected over 1,000 times. Can you believe it?
Keep going, Henry. You have got something special.
Finally, after numerous rejections, Henry found himself in a diner owned by a skeptical yet intrigued man named Joe.
Sir, can I talk to you for 2 minutes? My name is Henry, and I have a chicken recipe that will leave your customers craving for more.
Another one claiming to have the best chicken recipe? What makes yours different?
Taste it, and you'll know. I'm offering it to you for free. Just asking for a small percentage on the items sold. It's a win-win.
Free? What's the catch?
No catch. I believe in my recipe, and I believe it can change lives. Yours included.
Intrigued by Henry's confidence, Joe decided to give it a shot, and said to Henry,
Henry, why don't you drop the dish and let's catch up tomorrow? Sounds like a plan?
Sure, it does. Meet you tomorrow, Joe.
Henry returned home with a smile and a glimmer of hope, saying to Martha,
Martha, after 1,009 attempts, a restaurant owner finally agreed to try my recipe and has asked me to meet tomorrow.
That's great news, Henry. Let's hope for the best. Henry returned to meet the restaurant owner the next day.
Henry, you were right. This recipe is something else. I never thought a simple offer like yours would turn my diner into a sensation.
I'm glad that you like it, Joe. And I thank you for accepting my offer. I always believed in myself and never gave up, even when I faced thousands of rejections.
Henry, you did it. You changed our lives.
Remember, Martha, never give up and always believe in yourself, even in the face of rejection.
And so, with that one success, Colonel Heartland Sanders changed the way Americans ate chicken. The small diner transformed into a bustling hub, and Kentucky Fried Chicken, popularly known as KFC, was born. Friends, the moral of this tale of resilience is that, no matter at what age you are, believing in yourself and the pursuit of passion stand as a testament to the transformative power that lies within unwavering determination. If you were inspired by this story, please subscribe to our channel. Like the video, share and comments. See you next time, thank you.